Hi all. So this is going to be our first session with respect to exam PL900. Now to begin with, we are going to discuss here what is a power platform, what are the DLP policies, and what are the compliances which Microsoft manages with respect to this particular platform. To begin with, what is the Power Platform? Power Platform, as we discussed, consists of four different components. Uh, Power Apps, where it gives ability to the user to do a rapid code, low code development environment to build custom apps. Then you have Power Automate, which enables the user to automate their flow. Then you have Power BI, which enables business analytics as a service in the hands of a user. Also, we have a Power Virtual Agent, which enables users to create chatbots. Apart from these four, there are three major enablers. The first one is AI Builder, which enables you to use artificial intelligence services or capabilities across this platform, based primarily on Power Apps and Power Automate. Then you have Microsoft Dataverse, which is basically a data service which enables user to store and manage data across multiple sources. Then you have connectors, which enables data sources to connect with Power Apps or Power BI. So there are more than 275 connectors in this Power Platform. Some of the examples like Salesforce connector, Office 365, Twitter, or you have a Slack connector. So some of them are free connectors and some of them are premium connectors. So this is all about what this Power Platform is at a very high level, what are its components, and what are the enablers. Moving to the next topic, which is our data loss prevention, compliance, privacy, and accessibility. So, if you want to set up this data loss policies across Power Platform, then either you need to have admin right for that particular tenant, or you have, or you should have admin right for that particular environment. So I will just show you how to create these environment and what is this environment all about. Then how you can set up these policies in that environment. So just to show you, I will just log into Power Platform in the mentioned URL. So this is a Power Platform. So you can see here there's an environment tab here where you can create a new environment. You can do a production test or whatever environment you want to create. You can create it here, uh, and then you can enforce policies which are here below this policies tab, data policies. Now, what these data policies do is they enable you to create policies across that environment. So let me create one test policy here, and so you can see here there are some business connectors, there are some non-business connectors, and then some blocked connectors. So you can move these connectors to a business category if you think that they are critical to your business. And some of the connectors, if you don't want to use them, you can either use move them to block category, right? And then you have non-business connectors, which are some personal connectors. So based on whatever your data policies of your organization, you can classify these connectors uh, across your Power Platform. Then apart from it, there are some custom connectors if you will build. Currently it's in preview. And then after that you define the scope of the particular policy which you have created. So you can add all environments, or you can add exclude certain environments or add multiple environments. So all of them you can do. And then after that, you can create a policy which will be applicable to that particular environment. So I hope now the data loss policies are clear here. Moving to the next one, uh, what is the compliance and data privacy? Because what happens that Microsoft is offering having this data in cloud. Then, needless to mention that Microsoft provides the most comprehensive set of uh, offerings for of which are replicable for any of the cloud service provider. Now, since also we are transferring data from user devices to the cloud, so Microsoft use a transport layer security. Currently, they are using 1.2, which help in secure data transfer between Microsoft data centers and user devices. So that's all for our first session, where when we discussed here introduction about Power Platform, its components, enablers, and data loss prevention, compliance, privacy, and accessibility policies. Thank you.